So guys, what is waste segregation? Let's watch out this video for further information.
Food waste is not recyclable, so throw it away or compost it. Set aside glass bottles, plastics and cans to be rinsed before recycling. Rinse your containers because food scraps and oil will disrupt the recycling process. Penang recycles glass, plastics, paper, aluminum and metal. Do not put broken glass, batteries, styrofoam and anything greasy or dirty with your recycling. Foils and most snack food wrappers are not recyclable, so they become rubbish that adds to our landfill. Items that are dirty or greasy are not recyclable, so they become rubbish that goes to the landfill. Clean items are recyclable. Dirty items are not recyclable. For high-rise and commercial buildings, it is the responsibility of the JMB or building management to provide a collection area for recyclables. Residents of landed properties must place their recyclables next to their
In 11 Malaysia Plan, government had highlighted strategy thrust in pursuing green growth for sustainability and resilience, where their focus area is in adopting the sustainable consumptions and production with strategy to manage waste holistically. Government target in year of 2020 is to achieve 22% of recycle rate for household waste.
The rate of waste that being reused and recycled are relatively low. How far the effectiveness of government program and initiative in separations of waste at source if it is still failed to cater the public attentions and participations. Let's identify what makes people refuse to participate in separation at source program. Poor enforcement from authority. Since years of 2000s, government had launched several campaigns which involved the participations from NGO and community groups. However, the campaign does not receive any good feedback and response from the public. Attitude. Attitude is the biggest challenge to handle, and it is impossible to adjust without proper education and enforcement. To conclude, the implementations of separations of waste at source or segregations of waste in Malaysia are very timely. It is important to manage the waste effectively as it has bad impact to the environment. Public should aware and always be responsible in achieving clean and sustainable nations in future.